Shadows of your face, if the red rain shall fall, all of us if I do turn that night, I'll do remember you outdoors. If I do make you mine, I'll do remember you outdoors. Hey, wala pa rin ako. Yeah, come on, sigaw muna kayo. Quite how a life and the match will go on in your heart, in your mind. I'll stay with you for all that time. If then I will go. Wherever you will go, the way of life, for now, I'll go wherever you will go. If I do turn back time, I'll do wherever you will go. If I do get you mine, I'll do wherever you will go. Maraming pumunta dito sa Subic Fiesta Carnival, tama ba? And of course, galing na ako dyan ah. Hindi pa ba? Dapat hindi pa ang sunod, mamaya. May akin na 4 na babae mamaya. Ako.
Yes, active ka.
Oh, teka lang. Of course, special thanks to RPQ Rides and Amusement Corporation, to Sir Ricky Quiroz and Ma'am Maria Quiroz, friends and family event organizers. And of course, Dito de Guzman, thank you so much for inviting us again. And it's our second time na po mag-guest dito sa Wonder Gate. So sana supportahan niyo po ang Wonder Gate. And of course, si Raya ay may mga bagong album siya. So sana po abangan niyo. So yun, at mamaya, bababalik daw dyan. Thank you once again. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Aaron. Alam nyo,